In this GlowShift Gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift Dashboard Gauge Cluster Panel for your 1986 to 1993 S-Series truck. For this demonstration, we'll pair the panel with a black 7-color 6-gauge custom dashboard cluster set to install into a 1991 GMC Cyclone. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Remove the screws from the lower steering column cover, headlight switch panel, and HVAC control panel using a Phillips head screwdriver. Carefully remove any plugs, vacuum lines, and cables from the panels. Remove the 4 screws, 2 on each side, holding the gauge cluster surround to the dash. If you have a standard S-10, the surround is held on with 4 10mm nuts. Once all fasteners have been removed, carefully pull out the gauge cluster surround. Remove the Phillips head screw and 10mm nut on each side holding the gauge cluster to the dash. When removing the cluster from the dash, be sure to carefully remove the gear select lever cable from the steering column if equipped. When installing on a GMC Cyclone, Typhoon, or Sonoma GT, the gold color cluster brackets have to be removed and swapped out to the standard S-10 cluster mounting studs. A combination of 10mm wrenches and/or sockets will be needed to remove the 4 nuts securing the cluster brackets. It may be necessary to remove the driver's side speaker to gain better access. After removing the cluster brackets, install the 4 standard S-10 mounting studs. You can also use standard M5 by 0.8 by 30mm bolts with a flat washer and a nut to create a stud on the dash in the 4 mounting stud locations. Grab your GlowShift gauge cluster panel and insert the turn signals, check engine light, and high beam indicator included with the panel. Flip the panel over and loosely secure with the included hardware. Flip the panel back over and make sure the symbols are in the correct position before tightening with a 10mm wrench. After securing the indicator lights, install your chosen gauges into the panel. The panel fits 2 85mm gauges and 4 52mm gauges. For this demonstration, we are using a GlowShift Black 7-color 6-gauge custom dashboard cluster set. Additional gauge sets are available on our website. Install your gauges with their included mounting brackets and hardware. Be sure not to over-tighten the nuts as it may damage the gauges. Check the orientation of each gauge before securing in place with an 8mm wrench. Once all of the gauges have been installed, insert the wiring harness into each designated gauge. Connect the black wires from the 4 indicator lights to a black 18-gauge extension wire using a crimp connector. After all connections have been made, clean up the loose wires with zip ties. With all of the gauges secure, splice the individual wires of the gauge wiring harness to the corresponding wires from your vehicle's factory wiring harness. Additional wiring harnesses and sensors may need to be installed depending on the type of gauges you choose to include in your cluster. Please note that wire colors and pins will vary depending on your vehicle. Always verify connections first with your service manual. Using a test light, identify a wire that receives constant 12-volt power and a wire that receives 12-volt power when the headlights are turned on. Make sure the headlight switch power source does not dim. Using wire taps, splice the corresponding wires from the gauge power harness to the constant 12-volt power wire and the headlight switch 12-volt power wire. With all connections secure, turn the vehicle on to test for power and signal. Please note, some gauges must be calibrated to perform properly. Once proper operation has been confirmed, neatly bundle any loose wires and secure with zip ties. Install the gauge cluster and gauge cluster surround into the dash and secure with the 4 10mm nuts. Finally, reinstall the headlight switch panel, HVAC control panel, and the lower steering column cover. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift Direct Replacement Dash Panel and Black 7 Color Series gauge package for 1986 to 1993 S-Series trucks. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.